Welcome back for Channel Auto Rush Pro. And today you're about to witness something that completely changes the meaning of power, luxury, and off-grid freedom, because this is not just a camper. This is the Caterpillar CATTitanX Camper 2026, a machine built with the soul of heavy industry and the comfort of a five-star mobile penthouse. From the very first glance, the Titan X doesn't try to impress you politely. It dominates your screen with raw presence. And as we dive deep into this review, you'll understand why many are calling it the most extreme luxury expedition camper ever imagined. The exterior of the CATTitanX Camper 2026 looks like it escaped straight from a mining site and decided to tour the world in style. This beast sits on a reinforced military-grade chassis inspired by Caterpillar's off-road and construction engineering, and every inch of its body screams durability. The front fascia is massive, featuring an armored grille with bold cat branding, heavy-duty LED light bars stacked like predator eyes, and industrial steel bumpers, designed to handle impacts that would destroy normal RVs. The hood is tall and muscular, not for show, but to house a monstrous powertrain underneath. Huge all-terrain tires mounted on beadlock wheels give it an unstoppable stance, and the ground clearance is so high it laughs at rocks, dunes, snow, and broken terrain. From the side, the Titan X looks like a moving fortress. The camper shell is constructed using aerospace-grade aluminum and reinforced composite panels, offering extreme strength without unnecessary weight. You'll notice external storage compartments seamlessly integrated into the body, perfect for tools, recovery gear, and adventure equipment. Solar panels cover the roof like armor plates, ensuring energy independence wherever this machine goes. Heavy-duty side steps and hydraulic leveling legs make entry and setup effortless, even on uneven terrain. Around the back, the rear design stays aggressive yet functional, with reinforced tow hooks, a spare tire carrier, additional LED floodlights, and an optional rear deck that transforms into a mini outdoor lounge overlooking your campsite. Step inside the Caterpillar CATTitanX Camper 2026, and the shock hits instantly. You expect rugged and industrial, but instead, you're welcomed by a luxurious, modern interior that feels closer to a high-end apartment than a camper. The cabin is surprisingly spacious thanks to a smart layout and expandable slide-outs. Premium leather seating with cat-embroidered headrests offers both comfort and durability, while the floors combine hardwood-style finishes with industrial rubberized sections for easy cleaning. Ambient LED lighting runs throughout the interior, giving the space a warm, futuristic glow at night. The living area is designed for long-term comfort. A large U-shaped sofa converts into an extra sleeping space, and a heavy-duty adjustable table allows you to dine, work, or plan your next expedition. Panoramic windows surround the cabin, giving you breathtaking views of mountains, deserts, or forests while maintaining insulation and privacy. The kitchen is fully equipped with high-end appliances, including an induction cooktop, convection microwave, industrial-grade refrigerator, and stainless steel sink. Solid countertops and ample cabinetry ensure you never feel limited, even during extended off-grid journeys. Moving toward the sleeping area, the master bed is nothing short of impressive. A king-size mattress with memory foam sits on a reinforced platform, surrounded by soft lighting, USB ports, and smart climate control. Overhead cabinets and hidden storage compartments make excellent use of space without cluttering the room. The bathroom feels like something out of a luxury hotel, featuring a full-size shower with rainfall head, premium fixtures, a vacuum toilet system, and elegant finishes that balance ruggedness with comfort. Everything inside the Titan X is built to survive extreme environments while still feeling refined and inviting. When it comes to performance, the Caterpillar CATTitanX Camper 2026 is in a league of its own. Under the hood lies a massive Caterpillar turbo diesel engine, delivering enormous torque designed for hauling, climbing, and conquering terrain that normal campers wouldn't even attempt. This powertrain is paired with a heavy-duty automatic transmission and an advanced all-wheel drive system, giving the Titan X unstoppable traction. Whether you're climbing steep mountain trails, crossing muddy landscapes, or cruising long highways, this camper feels confident, stable, and incredibly controlled. The suspension system is engineered for extremes, using adaptive air suspension combined with heavy-duty shock absorbers to smooth out rough terrain while maintaining on-road comfort. Multiple driving modes allow you to adjust performance based on terrain, including sand, rock, snow, and highway cruising. Despite its massive size, steering feels surprisingly precise, and braking is handled by industrial-grade disc brakes that provide reliable stopping power even under heavy loads. This is not just a camper. It's a rolling demonstration of Caterpillar's engineering legacy. Technology plays a huge role in the CATTitanX experience. The driver cockpit features a large digital instrument cluster, advanced navigation optimized for off-road routes, and a central touchscreen controlling everything from suspension, height to energy consumption. Surround view cameras, thermal night vision, and obstacle detection systems ensure safety in the most remote areas. Inside the camper, smart systems manage solar energy, battery storage, water usage, and climate control, allowing you to stay off-grid for weeks without compromise. Now let's talk about pricing, because a machine like this doesn't come cheap. The Caterpillar CATTitanX Camper 2026 is positioned at the very top of the luxury expedition market. The estimated starting price ranges from $650,000 to over $850,000, depending on customization, powertrain options, and interior upgrades. Fully loaded models with advanced off-grid systems, premium interiors, and expedition packages can cross the $1 million mark. Yes, it's expensive, but this is not built for casual weekend camping. This is for explorers, entrepreneurs, and adventurers who demand the absolute best and want a vehicle that can go anywhere without limits. In the end, the Caterpillar CATTitanX Camper 2026 is more than just a camper, it's a statement. It represents freedom without fragility, luxury without weakness, and power without compromise. If you've ever dreamed of crossing continents, surviving extreme environments, and doing it all in total comfort, the CATTitanX proves that dream is possible. This is not just travel, this is domination on wheels, and honestly, few vehicles on this planet can match what Caterpillar has created here. If you enjoyed this deep and detailed review, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for Auto Rush Pro, because we bring you the most powerful, luxurious, and mind-blowing machines before anyone else. Until next time, stay driven, stay adventurous, and keep chasing the road beyond limits.